Go on then. Well, you have to go over there.
What? Let me see.
Are you going to sing it for me?
Bear snores on. Cows and Lane Chapman, Red and David in the cave, in the woods, in steep dark area. For a long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear, cuddled in the heat when her eyes shut tight. Sleeps through the day, sleeps through the night. Cold winds howl and nights are yellow, but the bear snores on. Itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep, crawls in the cave. Fluff, cold snow, mouse quacks. Do-da, he untwitters, small hot spark. Going a sneak peek in the den. Mouse goes, who's there? Here pops in. Cool mouse is there, no tea. Got white corn, blue black tea. But the bear snores on. To go for and muck. Badger scutters by, sniff, snuffs out there. Smell yummy on tops. We can share. I've got high nuts, bad says. Let's stirring them up, cool it down and dig in. They're blind and munch. The true chop crunch, but the bear snores them. The gopher and the mole turn my up through the floor, running and waving, shouting through the door. Oh, mother, what a night, what a storm, twitters bear. And everybody chatters in a great bear's den. They're tweeting the titter. They're trapped and the chitter, but the bear snores on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sits for a party in the very own air.
No.
Hair strips of fire, a mouse he's in stew. A small pepper deck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes. He blows and he sneezes. A whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He knows and he snores. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Who sneaked into my lair and you all had fun? Me, I was sleeping and I've had none. I was good. They got busy sides with the yacht. Spends 2 days for a birthday night. When the sun peeks up on the crispy dawn, they can't see what his friend snores on.
Wow.